Hello friends, welcome to Ang Pakialamerang OFW. Walang script, walang filter, just live. Welcome to sunny Manila. Dahil tirik na tirik ang araw, good luck. Magpapaka-cultured po sana tayo today. Kaya nandito tayo sa National Museum of the Philippines. Kaso ang problema, holiday pala today. Nga po ang plano. So I assume lahat ng mga museums dito ay sarado. Maghahanap po tayo ng gagawin ngayon. So, let's see. Samahan niyo po ako today. See ya!
Plot twist. I came all the way to the National Museum only to find out it was closed. Instead of letting that ruin the day, I did what every hungry traveler would do. I improvised. The good thing about Manila is that many of its famous landmarks are clustered together. Within minutes, you can go from Intramuros to Rizal Park, visit the Manila Cathedral, explore Fort Santiago, and even end up at the historic Manila Hotel. So, since sightseeing was temporarily off the menu, I figured a world-class buffet sounded like the perfect backup plan.
Okay, friends, I want to do something adventurous today. I want to try the tuk-tuks of the Philippines, but I want to go to the Manila Hotel. Yeah, try natin yan. I actually want to go to the Manila Hotel.
Yeah.
No, I just want to go there. I don't need tours.
Yeah.
No tours.
Okay.
Just to go.
On the hotel,
Yes.
Yeah.
How much is it?
200 rupees.
No, that's too much.
100?
100, yeah. Yay! That's it. Okay. Yeah. Under the shade, it's not that hot. So if you can walk under the trees or under the shade, it's gonna be fine. Even if I think it's 12 noon already. There's lots of tours going on around. I can see a lot of tourists, even if it's very hot. Morning po. Wow. See? I love it. We arrived in style. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
We're now at the Manila Hotel. We're gonna have lunch at Cafe Ilang Ilang.
Standing proudly since 1912, the Manila Hotel is more than just a luxury hotel. It is a living piece of Philippine history. From hosting world leaders and celebrities to witnessing some of the country's biggest moments, every corner has a story to tell. Today, we're stepping inside this iconic landmark to experience its timeless charm. And of course, its famous Cafe Ilang Ilang buffet.
Okay, this is the lobby lounge. Don't have any reservation or lunch at all. And I think this is it.
Would you like to have a
Yes, just me.
Just one. Our lunch rates are 3,495 each until
All right.
9 until 2:30.
We're in Cafe Ilang Ilang. And we're this one? All right.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. I pay later, yeah?
Yes, we
Okay.
can ask the wait.
All right. Thank you. Medyo mainit. I'm not sure why. Is it really hot here?
Yes.
Is there somewhere more cold? A little cold, maybe? Kaya natin lumipat ng table, the dishes that they offer. Because it's like a maze. Korean dishes. Parang masarap yung barbecue salmon. And then there's Chinese. Sorry. And of course, there's the lechon. This has to be fishy. Cute. And, yun, grilled talige. Tapos ang laban crispy. There's sinigang na baboy. I can see the taba floating. Oh my god. If you can see. Here is there's fish. Ang daming pagkain. Okay. Live station. Fire ahead. Roast beef. This looks like Indian and vegan station. Friends, meron sila dito ng mga halal food ha. Sa mga friends natin, nagpa-practice ng halal diet. This is all halal food. So, there's grilled salmon. Ano ba yan? Deli meat, salad, and the dessert station. Dessert. Wow. Dessert. Ayan, Pinoy dessert. Sapin-sapin. Ano to? Bibingka kasava. Sino kumani? Parang hindi naman masarap yung Charing. And, cheese baked mussels. Ano to ibe-bake nila? Try natin lahat yan, friends, okay? Ah, there's here pa. Okay. Wow. This looks Italian. Yeah. Focaccia, caprese, pizza. Ayan. Hello friends, welcome to the Manila Hotel. Bigla nag-Manila Hotel. We're in Cafe Ilang Ilang. We're having their buffet lunch. Kita niyo naman kanina, no? It's divided into stations. It's like a maze. There's Korean, Japanese, French, Italian. There's Chinese. Tapos may dessert station, salad station, may mga deli meat. Ayun, ang first round natin ay Chinese noodles, inihaw na panige, barbecue ribs, tapos, mixed meat fried rice. Ito Korean salmon. Tapos kumuha tayo ng isang dim sum and sinigang na salmon. Okay? First round. Sarap. Alam niyo naman, kapag sinigang, very comforting siya. Very laputan din. Pinili natin tong area na to kasi kahit nagsusuffer tayo, super suffer, ay magandang aesthetic. Sira ang aircon ng Manila Hotel. Chismis. Pero, enjoy natin. Sana nag-invest naman sila sa mga blowers or fans. O lagyan na lang sana nila, pag iparenovate, o lagyan ng mga ceiling fans dito. Kasi kung sira yung aircon, grabe, ang lala. Kawawa yung mga tao. Eh, ang mahal ng babayaran, di ba? O, paano yun? Very inconvenient. Pero dahil pahinadora, magdusa ka. Tayo para kumain ng pancit canton sa Manila Hotel. Ang lala. Friends, parang gusto kong tumalong sa swimming pool dun sa labas. Pero ang sarap ng grilled tanigi. Tanigi talaga, no? Everywhere. At anong lahi ng tanigi? Ang sarap. Arabic na tanigi. Char. Ito, ang napansin ko lang, isa lang yung sabaw nila. Yung sinigang na salmon lang. Kaya, ayun, box office. Last bite for plate number 1. Masarap yung siomai. Yung dumpling. Yung sinigang na salmon, normal. Pero okay na rin. Pancit, masarap. Yung fried rice, baka mas masarap pa ako magsangag ng kanin. Charing! Okay, crossover tayo sa ibang bansa naman. Akong pipizza, pero let's try. Lechon. Ang dami pa din eh. Sige, tingnan natin. Ayan, round 2 na tayo, friends. Ang round 2 natin ay binubuo ng, of course, lechon. Tapos, ang nagpapanggap na counting rice. May lumpiang ubod. Tapos, kumuha tayo ng cheese baked mussels and garlic butter shrimp. Mauubos na yung battery natin, friends. So, let's try the ubod. Mabilisan. Mauubos na rin yung pasensya ko sa iyo. Legit ubod. May kasama pang Hawaiian. Ang sarap. Try lang, friends, ha. Favorite ko yung lumpiang ubod, eh. Pero sa Saudi kasi, di ba, ang ubod lang. Nakalatang. Sarap. I think, after dito, isa na lang. Saan talaga yung National Museum? Yan yung... sabi ko 6 pieces lang. Ang dami naman nilagay ni sir. Uy, tigas na yung cheese. Dapat kinakain na siya ng bongga agad. Nasaan Bacoor? Bacoor, Cavite. Mussels. Char! Pero dahil 3,000 yung binayad natin dito. Enjoy ba kayo sa pub crawl kagabi? Nakakaloka. Ayaw pa nila umuwi. Vox, uwi na. Nakakaloka. Pero ang saya, di ba? Meet a lot of new people. Din sa crawl, konti lang yung Pilipino. And you should try it talaga. I highly recommend. You don't have to drink. I don't drink. I did not drink anything. I paid for it. Wala, kung sino-sino naman Instagram ang pinagkukuha ko doon kagabi. Oy, kahit sino na lang. Plate number 3 na tayo. Caesar salad. Nakita ko kasing bacon. Macaroni salad. Tapos, carbonara from the Italian station. From the Italian station din itong bruschetta, caprese, tapos cold cuts, tapos grilled salmon and grilled pineapple. Ayun na nga. I think last ko na to. Ay, hindi. Last, ano tawag dito? Last plate ko na to sa food. Although parang gusto kong tikman yung isang pizza plus dessert mamaya. Masarap yung macaroni salad. At saka itong caprese ba yun? Yung lechon, di din masyadong fan. So lechon. Diba, kain tayo ng itong lechon bukas. Ayan, for dessert, we have sapin-sapin. Di ko alam kasi nakalagay doon assorted kakanin. Ito lang alam ko sapin-sapin. We have fruit cheesecake. At saka kumuha ako ng watermelon. Madami pa doon actually. Mga fruit salad, tapos mga cakes, mga sweets, mga Chinese desserts din. Ang problema, inaantok na ako, friends. Paano na? Tapos sumausaw pa yung damit ko dun sa chimichurri sauce. So, ayun. Ito lang dessert ko. Tapos, I think I'm done. Ang dami kong napansin. Puro mga madam kumakain. Very old rich talaga tong Manila Hotel, no? Nandito sila lahat. Madam of all nationalities. Ayun, masarap naman ang kakanin. Pero mas masarap pa rin ang puto ng tanawan. Try nyo. Puto ng tanawan sa palengke. Harap. Ito, normal na cheesecake. Thank you, ate. Say hi ka naman.
Hello po.
Cafe Ilang-Ilang Manila Hotel. Salamat po. Thank you. Ayun, friends, if you want to splurge a little for your lunch, pwede kayo mag-Manila Hotel. Fiesta Pavilion. Pwede tayong upo dito. Dito muna tayo. Yan. You can sit here. From Manila Hotel, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa paggala natin today at sa pagla-lunch natin. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta. Maraming salamat po. I hope you continue to support. It really means a lot to us. Thank you again. This is ang pakialamerang OFW. Walang script, walang filter, just life. See ya!